Hello, Miss.
Hello, hello.
Hello. I'm hungry.
Hello, guys. Just give me a second. I'm gonna share the screen with you right now.
I'm hungry. Please look my
You're
tummy.
hungry?
See, I am Santa Claus. I am Santa Claus.
Okay, you are in Christmas?
Miss,
Yeah.
how do you say?
Miss.
How do you say? ¿Cómo se canta Feliz Navidad pero en inglés?
What? Say it again.
¿Cómo se dice la canción de Feliz Navidad pero en inglés?
Merry Christmas.
The song The Merry Christmas in English.
Oh,
Miss, I am going to put right now.
okay. Okay. Okay, okay, I'm gonna send you the topic that because I want you that you start writing that in your notebook.
Okay. What class is this? This is
Science, science.
science. The science. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, as you remember in the previous class on Monday, no, on Tuesday, sorry, we were working and learning about the how the plants get energy, and I was explaining to you that there is about the sunlight and the veins and the chlorophyll that make the plants green, and these leaves, they have a vein and they get the minerals and the water from the roots and go through the stem, and the sunlight that they reach the leaf from the sun, it helps them to produce sugar, and that sugar is the food that they eat. Okay, the own plant produce that, and that is their food. Okay, just let me Okay, I think that we couldn't finish writing a question from the last class. But we are going to start with this one that we have right now. Okay, just give me a second. I'm gonna open that for you. Okay, how do other living things get energy? So do you have any idea how do they get? No? If we think about animals, how do they get the energy?
With the sun.
The sun, water, air.
Okay. So animal and plants, they get energy completely different from, you know? So in here, like we can say that if you can see in here, we have how animals get energy. Well, animals are different from plants because they cannot use light energy to make sugar, okay?
It's like a type of sequence.
Yeah. So over there is completely different, okay? Animals are called consumers, okay? You need to write what is in color green, only in color green, okay? Animals are consumers and they are living things that gets energy by eating plants and other animals, okay? They are consumers. We are consumers like the animals because we eat plants, fruits, vegetables, right? And we eat
Vegetables.
yeah, we eat vegetables. If you can see the animal, yeah. Look at here. The sunlight held the grass to grow. Okay. So this grass, the mouse, some mouse or other animal, they eat grass, like, okay. And then what animal eat the mouse? A snake doesn't eat plants, eat animals. So the snake eat mouse. But what animal can eat the snake? It's the hawk. The hawk is flying looking for some animals to eat. So, and that is a process, if you can see that, okay? All of them are.
These and owl can
Uh-huh.
and owl can eat the snakes, right?
Yeah, I think that yes, and mouse too. They like
And
rodents.
you don't have to change it again the topic.
Okay.
I sent it because one student I see that we are 20, but in the other time we are 19. That is why if one student don't see it.
Continue working, okay? Don't make a big deal about little things.
Finish. Need one person. You have your microphone on.
Remember that you only need to write what is in color green. May I go to the next slide? Yeah.
No.
No.
You only need to write that it's in color.
There are only 3 lines and you haven't finished.
Miss.
Yes, Miss Green.
Draw the sun, grass, mouse, snake,
No.
Did I say, did I say, or it says over there, draw? No, right? It's just an example, but you can
No.
understand what it means consumer.
When you know that class when the miss put something and there put a imagine, we don't need to draw the image.
Very
That
good.
means
Well said, Diego. Well said.
and me. I have to see something.
Miss, we think a problem is I write and the things that are in color black.
No.
You don't have to do it.
Okay,
Okay.
guys, I need to go to the next. I can wait more. I can. If you come late, take a screenshot, a picture or something, okay? Here we go. Okay, the only thing that you're gonna write is what is next to the sticker, okay? If you can see, we have animals do not make their own food. It is not like the plants, remember? Plants, they create from the sunlight, the sugar that they produce to eat. They produce their own food, but animals, no. Because there are some animals that they eat plants. For example, we have a panda that they eats bamboo or a caterpillar that
Rabbit.
they eats leaves. And these animals
Rabbit.
they are called herbivores, okay? What it means herbivore? Consumer that eat plants. Consumer that eat plants.
That doesn't like
Means like the
Like-
butterfly. The
They don't
butterfly eat flowers.
Okay?
that
You
the
only
animals,
need to
the
write this.
herbivores, means the herbivores and don't eat meat because plants like plants and other stuff that it's not meat. That's why they're called herbivores. Means that carnivores and herbivores and the carnivores she eat another animal.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
the
Did you finish?
carnivores and the herbivores
Oh,
she eat like plants.
Okay.
And
Okay. I know that some of you want to participate, but I listen to much noise. Just to be clear, you only need to write what is next to the sticker. You don't need to write this or draw. Only herbivore consumer that eat plants. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words.
I think you finish, Miss.
then you
Do you have any questions, Sophia?
Yes, Miss.
Uh-huh.
My question is why the well, I confess. Why the herbivores eat
Plants.
yeah, but why herbivores eat plants and the others eat animals?
meat.
Yes.
Okay. So, why do they eat
Plants.
An animal.
Okay. Why do herbivores eat plants? Well, I can say that herbivores, they play a very important role, guys, in maintaining a healthy ecosystem and preventing the overgrowth vegetation, okay? It means, you know, we can have a forest and we can have a lot of, like, imagine that panda doesn't eat bamboo. What animal is gonna eat bamboo? And bamboo growth and growth and growth and growth and growth. Okay, who is going to make this plant to start growing so much? Because remember
The
that
panda.
remember that we have an ecosystem, and there are different kind of ecosystem. So can you imagine that they were like A lot of bamboo, and the bamboo they can produce over what is the word? It's a overgrow of vegetation, and that maybe the bamboo can kill other plants, and that's why it's important that in the ecosystem we keep and maintain a healthy ecosystem, and the panda is preventing that bamboo overgrow. Okay, is the caterpillar. The caterpillar are eating leaves, and they prevent that this plant have a lot of leaves. So that's why the herbivores only eat plants. Okay. Okay, here we go with the next.
Miss, but why the bamboo is how the bamboo kill the other plants?
It could be, it can happen. What will happen, guys, if we have like an example with animals? Imagine, well, I'm going to tell you something that is something that is true. I don't know if you have seen that there are a lot of dogs or cats in the streets. What is the, you know, what is, when we see a lot of cats and dogs in the street, this is a big problem. You know why? Because they don't have nobody to feed them. They give food. So what is going to do this cat and dog? They are going to start looking for other animals and other things to eat. And the other day, you know what I saw? A dog eating an iguana. And according to the ecosystem and the habitats, that is not good. That is becoming a problem. Because dogs doesn't eat iguanas. And they are killing iguanas to survive. And that is a problem. It is the same with the bamboo, or it is the same with, there is a kind of plant that we don't have to let them to grow in rivers because they can kill rivers. Okay, they can make the river disappear. Yeah.
What? Yes. The plants drink a lot of water, and the trees a lot of water. They need.
There is something else that maybe you don't know. There is a plant in the Yohoa Lake. The people around Yohoa Lake, they are trying to stop this plant to grow because this plant is taking a lot of part of the Yohoa Lake, and that is a problem. So they are trying to not let this plant to grow because this plant, they can dry the Yohoa Lake. And that is true, guys. That is true. Yeah, here we go to the next. Okay, now.
And I have a question. The dogs are carnivores because, but why they are carnivores?
They like meat, yeah. Okay, so sorry. There are some animals that they eat other animals. In this case, we can see a puffin that they eat fish, or the owls that they eat rats, okay? And these animals, they are called carnivores. So carnivores are consumers that eat other animals, okay? So it is like the lion. It is like the lion, okay? The lions, they are carnivores.
The lion the lion catches the deers.
Miss, how do you say?
Puma.
Miss, how do you say águila?
The eagle, the jaguar, the puma, all of them are carnivores.
The tiger.
Miss, the
A
eagle.
crocodile. A lion.
The lions
they're like catching at the deers.
Okay,
That's why
Lauren.
our
Okay.
neighbors.
Okay, Lauren and then Dariel. Lauren and Dariel.
The eagle she eat birds and she eat how do you say how do you say ardilla?
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrels.
Squirrel.
Miss, I want to talk.
Okay, okay, Dariel and then Andrea, sorry.
Miss, the owls eat rat. That's why you put the image of an owl with a rat.
Yeah, there is a rat. Okay, Andrea.
And Miss, one time I see a video of a person and a lion. That one person, how do you say clear?
Yes, they were raising a lion. Yeah.
Yes, and I see other video that is the same, but I see that one lion did this. Aww,
Yeah.
the
Okay.
first one.
Okay. Yeah. Ready for the next?
Miss, I see a movie that are of a lion that 1% she have the lion when she's like a baby.
What happened?
And then when she's weak and she play with her and
Okay.
she
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, it's true. Yes, Sebastián.
¿Cómo se dice un león bebé?
A lion
A
cub.
lion baby.
A
A
lion.
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 One YouTuber, we see one lion baby.
Oh, okay.
In the another
Okay.
¿cómo se dice el anterior año? El anterior año.
The last year.
yeah,
The last year, we see a baby lion.
Okay, it's a lion cub. Okay. So over there, guys, the last one is that we have some animals that they eat both plants and animals. In this case is birds. Okay, birds eat both. If you can see, he's eating some plants like fruits, and he's eating a fish. So they are omnivore.
Miss, like in the movie.
But the bears can eat, so how do you say, miel?
Miss,
Yeah.
like in the movie.
Miss,
Miss, like in the movie Valiente.
Miss,
Like in the movie Valiente.
Yeah.
Miss.
Yes.
Listen, you.
The omnivores are neither herbivores and carnivores because they eat both.
Yeah, that's what they are, omnivore. We are omnivores because we eat plants and we eat animals. Because we eat meat.
Oh yeah.
Miss,
We
and
are
insects.
omnivores, yeah.
Huh?
Insects. Yes.
I couldn't listen to you, Elena.
Miss, she said that we eat insects.
Oh, yes. I have eaten,
Yes.
I have eat insect, guys.
Disgusting.
Well,
I don't want to eat those.
Once I went to a place, and in that place they were making Mexican food, and I was very shocked and surprised when they served my food, and I don't remember the name of that insect, but they were fried. And they were put it in my food, and I was like, okay, that is, I try. And then as a dessert, you know what they give me?
I think that is paella.
Crickets. They give me fried crickets. And
They will sick.
okay, for dessert, they give me a candy, like a lollipop, and that lollipop, it has an scorpion.
That was the weirdest thing I ever heard.
Yeah, for me too.
Miss, I have to see something. I have to say you two things. Miss, I think that you say that, I think when Jar said I eat an insect or something else, I say I sure didn't to say when she put sugar, she have a ant. But I know in my answer that you're saying that you.
Yeah, they were fried. They were
else.
fried crickets, and they were.
Miss,
They were
want to.
They were like worms, but I didn't taste it. They were disgusting.
Miss,
That was the weirdest thing I've ever heard in my
be
life.
sick.
Miss, another thing that I want to say is that I write in my notebook. I write is.
Miss,
Okay.
Miss, this is very
Okay. Well, we don't have time to watch this video. Okay, so maybe tomorrow.
I see something. This is very scary.
Miss, but if you say, Miss, but if.
Oh, this is the last part. This is the last part.
Therefore, is the last one.
I thought that was.
This is the last. This scavenger and decomposers. Okay, Sophia, you were saying something? Okay, guys, please. Sophia is trying to speak, and all of you are open your microphone. Okay, I want to listen only her.
Miss, I think that you said in China. In China, eat crickets, scorpions. Ugh, it's very bad.
No,
How do you say siempre?
100 centipedes. No, no, Sophia, that wasn't here.
Miss, how do you say?
I have friends that they are from Mexico and doing all that. Okay, Diego. Okay, well, let me explain you this. The last part that we have is scavenger and decomposer. What do you mean this? Okay, if you have seen the movie of The Lion King, what is this animal? A hyena, right? So,
I think that is hyena.
A hyena is an scavenger animal. What it means this? This is an animal that eat other animals that they are already dead. Okay? They eat animals that they are dead. And another scavenger is the crow. Okay, crows, they do that. And then we have some decomposers, like there is a consumer that feeds material from dead plants and animals back into the soil, air, or water. Okay, so over there we have these four scavengers like the hagfish and the vulture. And we are gonna stop that with this, okay?
Why a lot of
students are leaving if we haven't finished? I know that it's time.
No, Miss, because the internet goes.
Yes,
Okay.
because you when when you speak, you look like the
Oh, sorry. Maybe the internet. Sorry.
Don't put us the fault. It's not our
Yes, miss. In an internet, it's like
I'm
it's
sorry.
not our fault.
Is it not finished?
I say me. What? My energy go.
Okay.
I think that my energy, but I think that is your energy.
Miss, I'm going to say, don't do like, don't do that because you're
Yeah,
going
don't
to,
do,
you're
guys.
going
Don't
to
do it. That is
seriously.
disgusting.
Because you're going to do, you're going to do really, you're going to do it. Miss, don't put us the fault of that.
Okay.
I finished, miss. Miss, this is very scary.
Yeah.
I finished and look
Oh my
this.
God. I want to talk you. I want to talk you.
Miss, I am in Paris.
Okay.
I want to talk you.
Miss, look.
Andrea. Okay, Dana, very good. Andrea and Bruce.
Miss, I finished.
Finish,
Oh my God, no, Jesus Christ.
What happened, Miss?
The same story of every day. Use the chat to say finish. I don't want to listen anybody say that word again. You have the chat to write finish. You make a distortion in the class. You make noise. We have been in September, part of August, October, and I'm still telling you not to say finish. Don't say it out loud. Say it in the chat. All the time there is one or two students that they want to participate and you are making a mess. You are not paying attention to them. I was Bruce that he want to participate and Andrea, and all of you were saying something else. Bruce.
How do you say this very scary? This is very scary. This is very scary.
Yeah,
How do you
animal.
say? No, if for these animals is of my car, is of the car of my dad is. How do you say? Había una madre culebra in the, how do you say, renos que llevábamos en el carro, se subía en el techo del carro y yo, ¡ah! Es que
Oh my goodness, that's very scary.
Venía. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Bruce. Andrea. Andrea.
Daniel, I can't. Oh, Daniel, that I don't like the. How do you say cucaracha?
Cockroach?
Cockroach, because one day I see one.
Okay, okay. Okay, guys, we need to
And I
stop
see
because
one in color white.
okay, yes, it's disgusting. Okay, we are gonna stop in here. Sorry, but tomorrow we are gonna have more time to, if you have any question, remember that we need to finish something from science, and maybe we are gonna watch the video that we couldn't watch today, and we have the math class tomorrow, okay? So enjoy your meal because it's lunch time. Bye-bye.